So hello everyone, welcome to happymath.com. So this time we continue to cover some more example about sampling mean distribution. Okay, so the last time we focused on covering the probability sampling mean is less than some value, but this time we covering the sampling mean value is between two different value, and then one more case is sampling mean value is bigger than some value basically. Okay, then let's do this question first. So during a certain week, the mean price of gasoline in the New England region was 2.74 per gallon. A random sample of 32 gas stations is drawn from the population. So what is the probability that the mean price for the sample was between 2.695 and then 2.75 that week? Assume given population standard deviation equal to 0.045. Okay, so before beginning, just solving this problem, I'm gonna organize all known data value. So population mean I can say 2.714, and then the standard deviation 0.045, and then sampling size 32. Okay, so since we have a sampling size here, then we keep doing sampling mean distribution. So you need to find out sampling mean distribution standard deviation. So this is usually original standard deviation divided by square root and then sample size. Okay. Then now when we generate the normal distribution probability value, you have to use this value as a standard deviation. Okay, then now based on this example, I can make probability sample mean is 2.695, sample mean is, and then 2.725. So that's the question here. So since we see two different sampling mean value, so you need to generate two different normal distribution commander, and then we subtract them. So when you do so, you always find out normal distribution for bigger value minus smaller value. Okay, then let's do it. So equal to normal distribution, and then bigger sampling mean is 2.725 comma, and then population mean, why switch to 3? Sorry, I'm gonna switch 2.714 again. Okay, so I just adjust this value here. So equal to normal distribution, and then 2.725 comma, and then population mean comma, the standard deviation, don't forget you have to use this value instead, comma, cumulative, yes, true, and then don't enter yet because we need to subtract the smaller case now. So minus normal distribution, and then you put 2.695 comma, and then population mean comma, the sampling mean standard deviation comma, true. Okay, then now our answer is like a 0.90 something, which means the gasoline price between 2.695 and the 2.725 as a sampling mean is about 91% basically. That should be the answer for this case. Okay, then now, so let's move on, next questions. So the mean height of a woman in the United States is 64.3 inches. So this time we focus on the age group between 20 and 29, and a random sample of 60 women in this age group is selected. What is the probability that the mean height for the sample is greater than 66 inches? Assume the population sigma equal to 3.0. Okay, the same thing, I'm going to organize data first. So population mean equal to 64.3 inches, and then the standard deviation is 3.0. Okay, the sample size equal to 60. Okay, then now which means you need to find out sampling mean distribution standard deviation, which is equal to original standard deviation divided by square root sample size basically. Okay, again, when you find the sampling mean probability, you have to use this sampling mean standard deviation for normal distribution Excel commander. Okay, the question is sample mean is bigger than 66 inches. Okay, so then now we can do 1 minus, because right side means, so when you just look make it normal distribution, it always generate the left side area. That's the reason. So then find out right side, you subtract that from the 1. Therefore I do 1 minus normal distribution and then type 66 x value and then the population mean comma and then sampling mean standard deviation value, this one comma and then cumulative, yes, true. Okay, then so this one looks like very complicated here, so I can understand this almost 0, but to understand better, so I'm gonna make format cell, then make it as a number and make decimal digit a little bigger. Okay, then now we can see this is about 0.0000005684, so it's kind of almost 0 basically. So based on that we can conclude, so the probability the female's height is greater than 66 inches is almost 0%, or you can say maybe 0.00056% or 57% like that. Okay, yeah, so we just cover the sampling mean distribution probability. So one case about between two sampling mean value. And now, so we also cover greater than some sampling mean value here. So I hope this video helped you to understand this topic, and then I will see you again with a different video. Alright, thank you, bye.